Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to show you the July Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month, includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also receive 2 recipe cards. These are for 2 double page layouts, one for each one of the 2 collections. They're designed by our design team, and they give you full cutting and assembly instructions as well as a full color photograph of the finished layouts. So they're ready to inspire you. You can also come on over to the Facebook group and to the blog for lots more inspiration, challenges, and a lot of fun. So we hope to see you over there. This month, our 2 collections are Rad Dad from Photoplay Paper and the Simple Vintage Coastal from Simple Stories. So we have a little bit to celebrate dads for Father's Day and this beautiful beachy floral theme. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. Our first collection from Photoplay Paper is Rad Dad. So this is from the Color Play collection, so that means it's on a little bit of the slick surface paper. So anytime you see Color Play, that's what that means. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of olive cardstock, 1 sheet of squash. For the pattern paper, we have this one, D is for Dad, that has kind of the speech bubble and the little just shapes here with different phrases. Dad's man cave, hey Dad, the best dad in the world, my dad rocks. So lots of great dad phrases. And the back is this turquoise print. The next paper is called Gamer, which has this really fun striped. I love stripes in collections, and this one's really unique in that it goes from a broad to a really thin, just kind of back and forth, so it gives it a really cool look. And the back are all the little handheld devices for games. This paper called My Hero with this beautiful plaid and the turquoise, the black, and the gold. And the back has all of the symbols on a deck of cards, so your spades, your diamonds, your hearts, etc. So I love this collection that they've included just a little bit of everything that dads can be involved with, from cards to outdoors, sports, gaming, just a little bit of everything. For the embellishments, you're going to receive half a sheet of the cut-aparts. So these will vary, but this is the one that I got. So these are perfect to make up some cards really, really quick. The back is this green tone-on-tone design. Then you're going to receive 5 wood veneer pieces. These are from Market Wood Designs. So we have some stars in different sizes and little bow ties. And then half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So again, you're going to see lots of different icons for lots of different interests, from the sports to the cards to games to just being a great dad. And we have some frames here, so the ephemera will vary in your kits as well. But that is Rad Dad from Photoplay Paper. Our next collection is Simple Vintage Coastal from Simple Stories. This is gorgeous, and it has that beach tropical feel to it, so it's just so much fun. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl and 1 sheet of Whirlpool. For your patterned paper, we have this one called Beach Vibes, which is this awesome background paper. You can use this just the way it is, and it does all the work for you. You're going to get one of the frames for your embellishments. So this is a perfect piece to kind of go onto here as well, and you have all of that embellishment going around it. So think about using those together. The back is this corally pink map print. Then we have On Island Time, which is another map print in the turquoise color. And the back is this stunning wood grain. I love kind of the bleached out effect of the wood on that. Then we have Rest and Relax, which are these beautiful tropical flowers on the turquoise map design in the background. and the back is a green tone on tone, and this one has a map in the back as well as some of the little leaves and the watercolor effect, kind of the distressing. It's just a gorgeous pattern. All of these papers are gorgeous. So one more look at the patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get one of the frames, so these will vary, but again, think about putting it on that paper right there. You're going to get one of the sticker sheets, so these will vary as well, but I got some flowers and that pineapple. And then a third pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary as well, but you'll get a good feel of what they are like. Just lots of different beach themes, the beautiful soft colors. We have some hearts in the wood grain, a little chair. So get ready to scrap those beach poolside photos that you have. So one more look at your double shot kit for this month. Be sure to check out all the other kits and products available in the ScrapRoom store. I'll have links here so that you can check out the Flavors of the Month, which has 4 new collections, as well as our Shots of Life kit. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.